Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a custom Facebook business page, URL and name. Before we start, make sure you're signed into Facebook and that you have admin access to the page you want to update. We'll use the Facebook mobile app for this walkthrough. Begin by opening the Facebook app. On the main screen, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left to open the menu. This menu is where you can quickly reach your pages and all the key settings you'll need. From the menu, select your business page. If you manage multiple pages, pick the one you want to edit. If you don't immediately see it, look for a section labeled Pages or use the search bar. Once you're on your page, open the menu again by tapping the three lines to get to the deeper settings options. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy and tap it, then tap Settings. This takes you to the hub where Page Control's live. Next, scroll and tap Page Setup. This area includes your page's core identity details, including the name and username. To update the page name, tap the Name option. Your page name is the public-facing label people see on your profile and in search. Choose a name that clearly represents your business and matches your branding. Avoid unnecessary capitalization, special characters, or words that could mislead people. If your new name reflects a significant change, Facebook may review it before it goes live. When you're happy with it, confirm and save. Note that changes might take a short time to appear, and you may be limited in how frequently you can update the name. After saving the name, go back to the Page Setup section and select Username. This is your handle, the part that appears after the @ symbol and forms your custom page link, like facebook.com, your name. Pick something short, memorable, and on brand. Usernames must be unique, at least 5 characters long, and can only include letters, numbers, and periods. No spaces or special symbols. If the one you want is taken, try a simple variation, such as adding a location or descriptor. If you see an eligibility message, ensure your page is properly set up and complies with Facebook's guidelines. When you find an available username you like, save it. That's it. You opened Facebook, navigated to your page, adjusted the page name, and set a custom username to create a clean, shareable URL. Give the changes a few minutes to propagate across the app, then test your new link and update it anywhere you promote your business. Thanks for following along.